Hello everyone, my name is Narendra Kumar and I welcome you all at the Chandigarh Career Group. So guys, today we are going to cover the current affair of 22nd of June 2021, and these current affairs are quite relevant for CDS, CAPF, NDA, SSC as well as State Public Service Commission examination, right? So this is our first segment, that is important days and events. दिस इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट डे विच इज़ 20 ऑफ जून. सो 20th ऑफ जून को हम क्या करते हैं, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. 20th ऑफ हम जून को क्या करते हैं, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं एज अ वर्ल्ड रिफ्यूजी डे. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये पता होगा रिफ्यूजी कौन होते हैं, राइट? जो अपना देश छोड़ के दूसरे देश में चले जाते हैं, राइट? उनको हम क्या कहते हैं, रिफ्यूजी कहते हैं. तो वर्ल्ड रिफ्यूजी डे को ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है जून 20 को in order to respect and honor the courage and the resilience of the refugees across the world. If I will talk about the theme, then what will be the theme? Theme will be the together we heal, learn and shine. हम क्या करते हैं, हम साथ में जो है सीखते हैं, शाइन करते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं जो है हील होते हैं. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये बहुत अच्छे समझ में आया होगा. बढ़ते हम अपने नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डे की तरफ. दिस डे इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू आर सपोज टू रिमेंबर इट. इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा, इसको ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है 21st ऑफ जून को. सो यूनाइटेड नेशंस celebrate International Day of Yoga globally on 21st of June every year to raise the awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga derived from the Sanskrit, which means that join or unite, symbolize the unions of the body and consciousness. Recognizing this important role of the yoga, this year's commemorations of the International Day of Yoga focuses on the yoga for well-being and this will be the theme of the day. यदि आपसे पूछा जाए what will be the theme, then what should be your answer? सर आपका आंसर होना चाहिए yoga for well-being and you are supposed to remember the theme also because this day is quite important if I will talk about the exam perspective, right? Next day, International Day of the celebration of the solstice, right? Those who have learnt geography from me, they are well aware about this thing, that 21st of June and what is the significance of that day, right? International Day of the celebration of solstice is observed globally on the 21st of June, right? The reason is that because sun lies vertically over the Tropic of Cancer. सन आपको कहाँ पे देखने को मिल जाएगा, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पे देखने को मिल जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट इसके बाद क्या होगा कि डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट टूवर्ड्स द इक्वेटर मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाती है आफ्टर द 21st ऑफ जून. एंड दिस डे brings awareness about the solstice and equinox and their significance for the several religions and ethnic cultures, right? International Day of the celebration of the solstice was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly on the 20th of June 2091 within the resolution that is A/RES/73/300, right? And this was the resolution and you are not supposed to remember this resolution, but you need to make sure that you will be able to remember the date, that is 21st of June and 21st of June is observed as a International Day of celebration of solstice. Next very important day, that is 21st of June, also observed as a World Music Day. So the World Music Day is observed globally on 21st of June every year, and this year this day is observed to honor the professional musicians, and over the 120 centuries used to celebrate this day, that is World Music Day. उम्मीद करता हूँ ये आपको कहीं ना कहीं अच्छे समझ में आ रहा होगा. बढ़ते हम अपने नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट की तरफ, दैट इज अवार्ड्स, ऑनर एंड पर्सन एज वेल एज प्लेसेस इन न्यूज़. I hope you know this guy and he is very prominent personality if I will talk about the bureaucracy of India, and his name is Guru Prasad Mohapatra. He was the secretary in the Department of the Industry and the International Trade, and recently he has been passed away, and he is very very important if you will talk about the exam, and there is chances that this question can be asked in your examination. So remember the name Guru Prasad Mohapatra. So he was a bureaucrat. You need to remember that. So Guru Prasad Mohapatra was the secretary in the Department of Industry and Industrial Trade. Has been passed away recently due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And before appointing to the Department of the Industry and Internal Trade, he was also the chairman of the Airports Authority of India. right? And he was an IAS officer of the 1986 batch, and he got the Gujarat cadre, right? नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ दैट इज़ अ बुक, अमिताभ घोष की जो नई किताब आपको देखने को मिल जाएगी, इसका जो है नेम क्या है, इसका नाम है द नटमेग कर्स। क्या होगा? द नटमेग कर्स आपको जो है नाम देखने को मिल जाएगा, एंड इट हैज़ बीन पब्लिश्ड बाय John Murray, which you are not supposed to remember that, but it should be very clear to you. The Nutmeg Curse Parables for Planet in Crisis, ये किसने लिखी है? You must be aware about the author name, that is Amitav Ghosh. Moving to the next segment, that is a national event, right? I उम्मीद करता हूँ इसके बारे में आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते होंगे. This is PAN, ठीक है, PAN card, right? Permanent account number, and this is Aadhaar card. So Central Board of Direct Taxes, right, they extended the deadline for linking the permanent account number with the Aadhaar to the June 30. At June 30 will be the deadline, and if your PAN card is not linked with the Aadhaar card by that day, then what will happen? You have to face the consequences, and consequences will be that you will be fined around 1000 rupees. So you need to make sure that your PAN card must be linked with your Aadhaar number, right? And what is the deadline? Deadline is the June 30. This is our next segment, that is international event. Very very important. If you will talk about the exam, this news is quite important. So who has become the new president of Iran? And his name is Ibrahim Raisi. You must need to acquainted with this your name, right? So Ibrahim Raisi, ये क्या बने हैं? Basically he won the presidential election of the Iran, and he will be the new president of the Iran, right? How many votes he got, not much important for your examination. He will succeed Hassan Rouhani, right? This is also important, but there is a very less possibility that this question can be asked, but you must be aware about this man, that is Ibrahim Raisi, right? If we will talk about the Iran, its capital is Tehran, and the currency is Toman, right? Next news, Botswana, right? It is an African country. So world third largest diamond, where it has been found? It has been found in the Botswana. कहाँ पे मिला है ये? बोट्सवाना में मिला है, और काफ़ी प्योर क्वालिटी में आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा. अराउंड 1098 कैरेट डायमंड है ये. सो इट इज़ द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट डायमंड, right? So it is the previous slide, not much important for your exam, right? This is our next segment, that is sports. I hope you remember this man. His name is Max Verstappen. He won the French Grand Prix, right? So who won the French Grand Prix? And his name is Max Verstappen, and he belongs to the Netherlands, and he rides the Red Bull, right? यदि मैं बात करता हूँ इनके, तो इन्होंने क्या किया है, जो आपको फ्रेंच ग्रैंड प्रिक्स देखने को मिल जाएगा, इन्होंने ये जीता है. और यदि मैं बात करता हूँ कि इन्होंने जो है बेसिकली अब क्या कर ली है, अब जो है इन्होंने ल्यूइस हैमिल्टन को पीछे छोड़ दिया है फार्मूला 1 ड्राइवर्स में. और इनका ये बेसिकली क्या था, ये जो है आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा कि कंटिन्यूस ये जीतते आ रहे हैं, तो आपको ये पता बहुत अच्छे से होना चाहिए. बढ़ते हैं वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट, रिपोर्ट्स एंड इंडेक्सेस. सो ईज ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स, इंडिया का ईज ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स आ चुका है, और इसमें यदि मैं बात करता हूँ बेंगलुरु, मोस्ट लिवेबल सिटी आपको देखने को मिल जाएगी, जहां पे आप आसानी से रह सकते हो. तो बेंगलुरु हैज़ बीन नेम्ड एज द मोस्ट लिवेबल सिटी ऑफ द इंडिया इन द ईज ऑफ द लिविंग इंडेक्स 2020, एंड इट हैज़ बीन रिलीज्ड बाय द सेंटर फॉर साइंस एंड इन्वायरमेंट, right? You need to make sure to remember the name of the organization also, that is the Center for Science and Environment. यदि मैं बात करता हूँ ईज ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स में, तो जैसा कि आपको पता है कि बेंगलुरु टॉप पे है, दूसरे नंबर पे आपको चेन्नई देखने को मिल जाएगा, एंड इट इज ऑनर फॉर हिमाचल प्रदेश, दैट शिमला इज ऑन थर्ड प्लेस, राइट? भुवनेश्वर इज ऑन फोर्थ, एंड मुंबई इज ऑन फिफ्थ, राइट? नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट report, that is India rank 120th in the Sustainable Development Report. So 6th edition of Sustainable Development Report 2021 has been released by the Sustainable Development Solution Network, and India got the rank 120. इंडिया का रैंक कितना है? 120th इंडिया का रैंक देखने को मिल जाएगा. और फिनलैंड ने जो है टॉप किया है, फॉलोड बाय द स्वीडन एंड द डेनमार्क, एंड दे ऑल आर द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, राइट? Next segment, that is defense. No news today we are having, and government scheme if I will talk about, then there is a no news, polity from no news, and environment segment as well as the summit and conferences we have no news, science and tech as well as the economy we don't have any news. Now this is our next segment, that is quiz, and you are supposed to answer the questions which will be asked from you. So this is your first question. What is the rank of the India on the IMD World Competitive Index 2021? And your options are: option A is 12, option B 43, option C 56, option D 72, and option E is 168. So the right answer will be 43. I hope you remember this thing, and we already discussed this thing, right? Sumant Sinha of Renew Power was recognized as one of the 10 Sustainable Development Goal Pioneer 2020. Now they are asking the full form of the SDG. I already told you that is the first look at the options, that is suitable development goals, option B is sustainable democratic goals, option C is sustainable development goals, and option D sustainable development globally. So the right answer obviously option C will be the right answer, that is the sustainable development goal. Renowned Jammu-based Islamic scholar, and his name is Mufti Fazul Wahid, passed away recently, and he was first to translate Quran into the, and your options are Pahari language, option B Kashmiri, option C Urdu, option D is Gojri. So the right answer will be the option D, that is Gojri language. Next question. Which of the following digital solution companies has been recognized as the Global Innovation Partner of the Year by Snowflake? Right. And your options are Elsner Technology, option B Larsen and Toubro Infotech, option C Watt Consult, and option D is Cibrix. So the right answer is the option B, that is the Larsen and Toubro Infotech. Right. Next question. Which of the following state or union territory has recently launched the Jahan Vote Wahan vaccination program? And your options are: option A will be Haryana, option B is Gujarat, option C Ladakh, option D Kerala, and option E is Delhi. So the right answer will be the option E, that is Delhi. Next question, very easy question, and I'm hoping that you must be aware about this personality, and his name is Milkha Singh. So legendary Milkha Singh has passed away due to the coronavirus disease, and he was he's associated with which of the following field? So your options are: he was a sprinter, environmentalist, economist, and socialist. So the right answer definitely will be the option A, that is the sprinter. Next question. The 2021 Land for Life Award has been won by which of the following state? Right. And the state name is Rajasthan. A unique concept that relates a tree with the family making is a green family member. And your options are Greenpeace, option B is Familial Forestry, option C is Kalpa Vriksh, and option D is Goa Foundation. So the right answer, I'm hoping you will be able to give the right answer, that is the option B, Familial Forestry. Next question. Name of the Zambian politician who served as the first president of the Zambia has been passed away recently, and his name is, आपको उसका नाम बताना है. Option is Kenneth Kaunda, option B is Edgar Lungu, option C is Christhamba Kamvili, and option D is Michael Sata. So the right answer definitely will be the A option, that is Kenneth Kaunda. This is how this video comes to an end, and I'm expecting that you enjoyed the video. If you do, then you can press the like button. Whatever the suggestions you are having, you can write it down in the comment box. I will try to consider those suggestions in the video also, and you have to subscribe the channel. If you want to get connected with us on the Telegram, then what you need to do, you have to visit the Telegram channel of the Chandigarh Career Group in order to get the PDF. Thank you so much.